Hi guys, Steph here. First of all, dead simple, subscribe to the channel. Secondly, just down there below, you'll see that thumbs up symbol. Press that thumbs up symbol for me if you enjoy the video. If you don't, then it's not a problem. So don't forget to do that if you will. Now, what I've actually been doing is working through some of my, past pen hauls. I've got pens everywhere, and I thought, right, let's start working on some of them. Let's get them out to the customers, because these pens, it's a shame for them to be sat in boxes. They need to be used and enjoyed by customers who enjoy writing. So what we've got for you today is a Summit fountain pen, the S125. And if I can find the barrel imprint, which I think is there you go. You can see Summit S125. Does it say made in England? I can't quite remember. But absolutely, once again, these are the pens that some people are not aware of. Who's Summit? Quite simply, Summit are pens that were made by the Lang Company from Liverpool, at the time when people were making pens for others and other manufacturers, etc. But these Summit pens are absolutely quality made pens. In fact, not just one, but I've restored two of them. Look at that. A lovely silver and black pearl, and a gorgeous green and black pearl as well. Now, the size of these pens capped are 130 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, they're a nice 12 millimeters in diameter. I don't know if you've noticed, they're lever fill fountain pens, as you can see there. The cap has a small sort of narrow cap band to the bottom, and they've got these, of the period, these ball clips, as you can see there, with the word Summit on the clip itself. And in a lot of occasions, these two pens, the finials were very, very discoloured. We've polished it out, and you can see they're now lovely and black. Slight peak there, which complements a slight peak at the bottom of the barrel. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's take the cap off for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As I say, both have been restored. I thought, I repeat myself, rather than be sat in boxes, this should be enjoyed by people. So I've restored them both, and yeah, they're going to be looking for new homes. You can see the section slightly concaved. You've got the lovely Summit nib there, and it says Summit 14 karat gold. There's a sideways view. We've got the ladder feed underneath, which with all my pens are thoroughly cleaned, as they should be, and they're all ready to go. So, a rather unknown make, Summit, but they're actually becoming more known now. They're becoming more desirable, and as they should be, because they are actually superb quality made fountain pens, as you can see. Okay, beautiful condition, fully restored, fully disassembled, new sacks fitted. Again, the feed there, and once again the Summit 14 karat gold nib there. And as previous, There we go. A lovely ladder feed from that period. And when I say that period, I'm dating these pens sort of 1940s. Absolutely superb, quality made pens. They didn't just make them in the silver and the green. I believe they made them in other colours. They made them in very nice sort of, in fact, I think I've got one, a classic black chased pen. But once again, slightly unknown, but quality made pens. I know some of you people like to see the pens being written with. Now, I'm not going to fill the pen because I'm going to leave that to the new owner. They can decide whether they want to fill it with their favourite ink or just simply display the pen. But what we'll do, just to the side of me, we'll do a dip test. So we've got a Summit S125. Made in England. Made, what do we say, around about 1940s by the Lang Pen Company from Liverpool. Okay, this one's writing, I would say, with a fine line. Just reach over, trying to get some tissue, because what we'll do, we'll clean that nib, ready for the pen to be shipped. Let's see how this other one writes. So we've dipped it in our ink. So once again, a Summit S125 made in England, 1940s, and this one I would say is writing with a medium line. Again, clean it with a tissue. So as you can see, both write very nicely. One with a fine line, or was that the silver one with a fine line, and one with a medium line. But once again, superb, rather unknown to some people, but superb quality made fountain pens. And as I say, what we'll do, let's try and find a new home for these two beauties rather than being sat in a drawer somewhere. So don't forget to leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. I hope you've enjoyed looking at these two pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Okay, but for now I'm just going to say Slavo Ukraini, and I'll see you later.